Airbus A319neo vs A220. In 2008, Bombardier launched their all-new C series. Bombardier offered a competitor to the lower end of A320 family or 737 family to break into the Airbus-Boeing duopoly. C series had the newest carbon composite airframe components, new aerodynamics, and most importantly, the first to feature Pratt & Whitney's new geared turbofan. They aimed to burn 15% less fuel than the A319. Initially, Airbus dismissed C series, stating the lower purchase price, lower maintenance cost, and commonality with existing A320s means lower pilot and crew training cost. However, after all Airbus operator Frontier ordered the C series, Airbus studied improvements to the A320. Since efficiency gains comes from new engines, Airbus decided to do a simple re-engine, along with new sharklets to deliver the same fuel burn reduction. In 2016, Delta was considering between the CS100 and 737 MAX 7 to replace the 717s. They chose the C series. Boeing sued Bombardier for receiving unfair subsidies that allowed them to sell the C series below manufacturing cost. In an unexpected turn, Bombardier agreed to partner up with Airbus and sell 50.1% stake. In return, Airbus would expand its Mobile, Alabama plant to produce the C series, so it would be an American aircraft. Airbus rebranded C series into A220. This did create overlaps between the largest A220-300 and smallest A319neo. Before we find out which is better, subscribe for more epic videos on the way. Performance. A220-300 carries 135 passengers 2 class and flies 3,600 nautical miles. It carries up to 160 passengers. The A319neo carries 140 passengers 2 class and flies 3,750 nautical miles. It carries up to 160 max. Engines. Both feature Pratt & Whitney's geared turbofan. A220-300 uses PW1500G with a 73-inch fan producing up to 23,300 pounds of thrust each. A320neo uses the PW1100G with an 81-inch fan producing up to 24,100 pounds of thrust each. A319neo is available with the CFM LEAP 1A. Efficiency. Over a typical 1,000 nautical mile mission in 2-class layouts with 135 seats, A220-300 burns 2.3 kilograms of fuel per kilometer compared to 2.4 kilograms per kilometer for the A319neo. A220-300 burns 2.13 liters per passenger compared to 2.22 liters per passenger flown for the A319neo over 100 kilometers. So the A220-300 is 4% more efficient per trip and per seat. cabins. Both have optional airspace cabins. A319neo has the newest mood lighting with welcome effect, new largest XL overhead bins, new 4th generation in-flight entertainment systems. It has optional PRM functionality. A220 has that and the largest toilet with optionally a view, the same new mood lighting, new IFE, new Wi-Fi, but it has larger wide-body sized windows, new cabin architecture with vertical sidewalls. With a 5 abreast layout, it has wider 18.5-inch seats with a 19-inch center seat. Overall, it has a quieter and nicer cabin. Advantages and disadvantages. A220 was purpose-built to serve the smaller single-aisle market with the newest technologies such as lighter composite and titanium materials, hence it's a lighter aircraft and is most optimized. A319neo is a simple shrink with the same wings and fuselage, hence is de-optimized compared to A320neo, having almost similar trip cost but less seats, so a higher seat cost with excessive range payload capability. However, Neo has lower development cost, meaning it's cheaper to buy. Airlines enjoy commonality with over 10,000 A320 family aircraft in service, meaning lower maintenance and pilot training costs. Orders. A319neo isn't selling well, receiving 61 firm orders. The A220 has received 717. So overall, while the A220-300 may be more expensive to produce and buy, its nicer cabin, excellent performance optimized for this segment, and class-leading efficiency makes it the best in class. Thanks for watching, and till we meet next time, one team, one aviation, one sky ahead.